Sensitive content on Telegram. Hey everyone, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to enable sensitive content on your Telegram account. Like these kinds of videos on the channel? Seen our other related videos? Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you guys. Folks, we'll activate this sensitive content option on Telegram web. This option isn't available on mobile. So, let's first enable it on Telegram web. You can activate this option on the website, not on your phone. If you look on your phone, you won't find it. Type Telegram's web address in the search bar. web.telegram.org. I'll press enter. Now click on these three lines. Then click on settings. Scroll down and click on privacy and security. In privacy and security, scroll down. You'll see sensitive content here. To disable the filter, just check this box. This will show media with sensitive content. That's all, folks. This disables the sensitive content filter. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.